Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, if you have a project like this, but if you wanna add a sound effect, so you just click on the audio at the bottom, and then in here you can click on effect. And in here you can see many sound effect on CapCut. This is a free. In here you can see performance sound effect, log sound effect, flag sound effect, transition sound effect, and then food, animals, magic, instrumental, horror is many sound effect on CapCut. But in here I wanna for the example I wanna add taking a photo sound effect. So you just click on the plus icon in here and finish. The sound has been exported to your project. And then so how to add sound effect on CapCut's pretty simple, right? I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.